AR Insta Private Limited is an information technology company that provides hospital software and IT services to all over the world. Insta Medico HMS is a product of AR Insta Private Limited, which was established in 1999. Let's start overview of Insta Medico HMS. This is the opening screen of the software. Username and password are provided by AR Insta. This is the dashboard of Insta Medico HMS. There are pop-up menus on the main dashboard which shows the OPD, IPD, medical and labs number of patients, billing and collection details. The menu bar has all the modules like patient, master and laboratory, etc. Today we will discuss about all the modules and there are some modules of Insta Medico HMS. Let's get started. First we talk about the hospital module. This is the hospital module. There are two submodules. First one is hospital location setup. Second one is user role and rights. In the hospital location setup, company creation is used to create and edit existing company. Same hospital creation is used to create and edit existing hospital. Location creation is used to create and edit existing locations for the hospital. In the user role and right modules, roles and rights are used to set roles and rights for users. In user creation module is used to create new user. User rights are used to edit and set rights for new users. Now we talk about the patient module. There are 6 sub-modules of the patient module. First one is patient, OPD, IPD. At the top, this is used to search existing patients and this one is used to create health card for the patients. OPD registration is used to register a patient in the patient outdoor department. In OPD bills are created for OPD patients as well as OPD lab patients. OPD prescription is used by doctors to write a prescription for patients. And patient vaccination is to manage vaccine records for a newborn as well as corona disease. This module is used to make a deposit of the patients. In same, IPD admission is used to admit a patient in indoor patient department. IPD bills are used to make bills of any patient that admitted to IPD. IPD prescription is used to by doctors to write a prescription for patients. IPD ward transfer is used to transfer a patient to another ward or doctor. This module is used to discharge the patient from the hospital. And this last one is used to save patient medical records. Next, patient clinical history. This module is used to search the clinical history of the patients. In patient ward management, the module is used to manage the ward of the admitted patients. In food and diet management, this module is used to manage the food and diet of the admitted patients. In patient eye management, this module is used to manage the eye related care of the patients. In patient OT management, this module is used to manage the operations of the patients. Now we talk about laboratory module. In this module, there are 6 sections. This is used to make patient lab bills and this one is used to print lab bills and this one is used to make a payment of patient's lab bills. In pathology, this section is used to manage patient sample collection and reports and this one is used to manage patient wise result entry. In radiology, this section is used to manage patient sample collection and reports and this one is used to manage patient wise result entries. Now we talk about medical module. In this module, there are 10 sections. This one is used to purchase medical goods and this one is used to return and purchase medical goods like medicine and syringe. This module is used to make payments to the vendors and this one is used to generate bills of medical goods. This one is used to make payments of patients' medical bills. This is used to generate medical reports and this one is used for the allocation of medical goods. this section is used to manage medical products consumptions. This one is used to manage the transfer of stocks, and this is used to see and manage vendor and products status. Now we talk about the blood bank module. In the blood bank module, there are 9 sections. First, this is used to manage and create a profile of blood donor, and this one is used to manage test result of donor. This is used to manage discarded blood, and this section is used to manage plasma fractionation. Now this section is used to manage the requested profiles for blood donors from outside organizations, and this one is used to manage and cross matching of requested blood profiles, and this one is used to manage return or issue blood. This one is used for setting up blood camps, and the last one is used for managing blood stock status. Now we talk about canteen module. In the canteen module, there are 7 sections. In this section, user can create a new vendor for the canteen, and this one is used for editing and creating a new product for the canteen purpose, and this one is used for purchasing products from vendors, and this is used for vendor payments. And this model, some models used for can create and edit bills for the vendors. From here, user can make bills, payments from the products. And this one is used for generating MIS reports for canteens. Now we talk about inventory module. Inventory module is used for managing and purchasing products for the hospital, like beds, chairs, AC, tablets, etc. And this section is used to order products, and this section is used for purchase products. This is used to allocate products, and this section is used to manage products consumptions. Now we talk about human resources module. In this module, this is used for managing employees' shift, salary slips, and their working and leave status. This section is used for scheduling employees' shift, and this one is used for managing employees' leave applications, and this one is used for uploading employees' leave and attendance, and the last one is used for managing employees' salary slips. Now we talk about financial accounts module. In this module, this is used for managing financial accounts, and this section is used for general entries, and the receive module is used for managing received payments, and this one is used for managing spent payments, and the last one is used for check prints. Now we talk about reports module. This module is used for managing MIS reports, and this section is used for managing MIS collection reports, and this one is used for managing MIS patient reports, and this one is used for managing MIS laboratory reports, and this one is used for managing MIS medical reports, and this section is used for inventory reports, and this section is used for managing MIS canteen reports. This one is used for managing MIS HR reports. This is used for managing MIS financial accounts reports, and this one is used for managing MIS tools reports, and the last one is used for managing MIS final accounts report. Now we talk about the tools module, and this module is used for send messages, emails to the patients, and manage CCTV centers. From here, user can change password and also change hospital location. User can update activation key from here. Also, user can make backup of software and log out the software and close the window. It's end of HMS overview. In next videos, we will deeply explain every module. So please do like, share and subscribe for more updates. Thank you.